Hello, here we are, walking outside. So what we're doing today is we're going to install some H.I.Ds. Good old eBay stuff. I somehow didn't buy the dual filament ones. I just picked up the single filament ones, but whatever. As long as they work, that's all I need them to do. Because driving in this CRV that I got with the stock headlights, bro, like, they are... It's like having a candle inside your headlights, as I was saying before. It's just really not safe. So ones I picked up were 10,000 K or 10,000 Kelvin, if you want to call it that. These are the bad boys right here. I've had them for a while. It's just that never got around to installing them because I was just sort of upset that I didn't get the dual filament ones so I could have high and low beams. But now that I think about it, I've got two sets of these. Why not just use them? You know, it's tough enough to see at night. It's like I'm driving, like, I can't see the road. Like, I really can't. It's like the light shines about 4 feet in front of the car, and that's it. Beyond that, the road is just dark. I'm like, where am I? Right now, I'm still just getting over a cold that I had. Not the best feeling being sick. It's terrible. If you're not feeling sick, I hope you get well soon. And recently repaired my tripod. So basically what happened is I over tightened it and it snapped right over there. Funnily enough, I installed it at an angle, so this is almost like it's pointed downwards, so the angle isn't like even with this. I should have thought about that before I glued it back together. As you can see, it's like this is tilted that way. So I have to choose my angles wisely. Late start to the day. That is my own doing, but that's alright. So let's get back outside, pop the hood, and take some stuff apart. So let's go. Oh, the skill is the messy engine bay, just caked in like dirt and grime and grease. All kinds of nastiness. What we're gonna do is just pull this out. Really easy. It's an H4 bulb, and you just kind of yank out of place like that. And this dust cover comes off just like this. And it's like a little pin clip comes out. And then this bulb comes out. Real easy. Here we go. We're gonna run in the house real quick, see if we can grab a little screwdriver set. Take that out. Walking. I'm gonna take these little like things out. Good old Harbor Freight tool set here. I know it's kind of dark, but well, folks, a disaster has just struck. Dropped my tripod. Good thing I know how to glue stuff. Anyways, let's just run out and just we'll figure this out. There. Anyways, let's go. God, let's just do it. Fortunately, my tripod fell down as I dropped it. Right in my house too. Like, my mind's not even focused on that fact at this point. I really want to just get back to work and get this thing going. Really hoping that this doesn't fall, but anyway, so we were able to move that around. Alright folks, still recording here, thankfully. A little secret, I just had to, all you had to do is like bend the little clip, because it's angled like this anyways, and it just like it hinges like that. You just have to just bend it this way so that this clip fits. Anyways, power it up and see how she looks.
To rising stars,
and crank that heat, because yo, it's cold, man. How about the headlights? How about them H.I.Ds? How they looking? Oh man, oh man. Alright, so here we are. Finally done with the install. Matter of fact, done with the install, but the hood's still open. down. Now it's looking bright. Oh yeah. Ours looking fresh right now. My feet are really, really cold. Like, they are numb, to be honest with you. Still got my lawn in the car, you know? Shines up. It's just glass cleaner. So, once again, here we are. 10,000K. Nice and bright. Nice and bright. That's it. Let's get the shine going. Alright, I'm officially freezing. I'm gonna get back in the car.